Let me say about the next 5 to 10 years, the internet will be everywhere and nowhere. Even in your contact lens, you simply blink and you will be online. And who were the first people to buy internet contact lenses? College students studying for final examinations. They will blink and see all the answers to my exam right there. And think about it, on a blind date, your date says that he's single, he's rich, he's unattached, but your contact lens says, nope, he's married, he's a loser, he has 3 wives to support. So it can be very handy having that. And then for energy, we will have fusion power. In 2 years' time, in France, there will be an announcement that for the first time we've captured the power of the sun on the earth, that we have break-even, that we can create as much energy as we put into it. What's the energy source? Seawater. Seawater, the hydrogen from seawater can be burned in a fusion reactor to give us unlimited energy, energy from the stars on the earth. And then, in your living room, we will have the ability to detect cancer years before a tumor forms. A blood test, a simple blood test is now available commercially to detect 50 types of cancer in your blood. In the future, it'll be your saliva. In the future, it'll be your toilet in your bathroom. Your bodily fluids will be analyzed quietly and tell you that you will have cancer in 5, 10 years. In other words, the word tumor could disappear from our language. We may no longer say tumor anymore. That's how fast biotechnology is moving, that one day we will treat cancer like the common cold. That is, we can't cure it. Too many forms of the common cold, too many forms of cancer, but it won't kill anyone in the future. And so we're talking about a bright future where intelligence, the internet, is everywhere and nowhere. Within 50 years, the word digital will disappear from the English language because computers will be part neural. We will connect the computer to the living brain. So we will have telepathy. We will think, turn on the internet, turn on the lights, move objects, dictate manuscripts mentally. This means that the internet will become BrainNet. We will telepathically communicate with the people of the world. We will record memories. We will record emotions on the internet. This means that the movies, television will become obsolete because the movies, television have no emotions, they have no feelings, but that's what the BrainNet will give you. The ability to feel what other people are feeling, to communicate mentally with other people. So in other words, BrainNet is going to revolutionize the internet. The next level of the internet will be when the human mind is connected to the computer. And then what about the computer itself? The computer itself, the digital computer, will become junk. We will go to quantum computers. I'm a physicist. We physicists know that the quantum theory is what governs the atom. And we will create computers that compute on atoms. These are the ultimate computers. Computers that will make digital computers obsolete. Quantum computers. And what can we do with it? Perhaps cure incurable diseases. Because quantum computers can work at the quantum level, at the level of viruses, bacteria, at the level of diseases, and we'll be able to cure Alzheimer's, cure Parkinson's, cure forms of cancer, because these are going to be at the molecular level. And so we're talking about a whole new era. And then, once we conquer these diseases, there's a possibility of immortality. That is, living beyond our years. Two types of immortality. One is digital immortality, where we are digitized, and that digitized image lives forever. We are doing it now. Every time a teenager makes a stupid prank on the internet, it's recorded forever. It's part of your biography, all the stupid things you did as a child.